everyone, welcome to Watch It Paint It. Today, just going to do a quick unboxing of One Deck Dungeon Forest of Shadows. This is a standalone expansion to One Deck Dungeon. So you can play it all by itself. It's for 1 to 2 players and it's by Asmodee Games. I think that's how you say it. There's no miniatures in this, so there'll be nothing painted, but I thought I kickstarted this a while ago and it's just arrived. I thought, let's have a look together what's in it in case anybody cares. Let's just bust the seal.
Might be monkeying it.
It's weird. I completely forgot I'd bought this, but I was playing it last night. The original. Played about 5 games of it, won 0 of them, so it's quite tricky. Although I don't remember it being tricky, I just think I don't know the rules anymore. So, what do we get? A little box. You get the rules, and I noticed. Does it say somewhere? Ah, here you go. The rules are 1.6 now. There's a few iterations of the rules. The ones I was playing last night were 1.1, so maybe that's why it was so difficult. Your character sheets, bunch of those to keep track of your little guys. Well, girls actually. Every character in this is female, or it was on the original. I'm sort of assuming, yeah, still all girls in this. That's cool. Let's open this up so we can have a look what characters you get in this set. I think you can add the decks together and play 4-player. I'm hoping so. So you get the Hunter, the Druid, the Warden, the Slayer, the Alchemist, the Kliana, the turn reference as well. And they're double-sided, so you can play solo, 1 player, or you play 2-player and they've got slightly lower stats, and you put all your dice together. It's pretty cool. You get another pack of dice.
Dice, Daddy. Can open them. Open them, Daddy.
I think they're the same colour. I was only playing last night, I can't remember. Yeah, they are. They're the same colour, so it's all the same stats. And then you get a big pack of cards. This is going to be loads of monsters encounters. So you get the monsters and you get traps and stuff like that. Let's see if I can just open it and flick through it. Don't normally bother showing the cards, but seeing as there's no miniatures and there's nothing else you'll ever see of this game, I may as well have a little look inside. Yeah, I'm in. So that's quite hard because I'm stood behind the camera. Seems a bit dangerous waving a knife around opening my cards. So yeah, you get all these encounters, which creatures, monsters, that sort of thing. So you get loads and loads and loads. That's cool. So I assume you can mix these decks together at least. Then you get like traps and stuff, so different types of events, encounters, perils and monsters or something. Yeah, this is the peril symbol and this is the fight symbol. And then what's this? Oh, so these are the bosses. So then you're fighting your way down the dungeon to fight one of these big bosses. That's the stairs to go down the dungeon. Basic skill, and then some more monsters, and you level up cards. Something new there, I've not seen that before, and a poison reference card. Cool, a few new bits and pieces. Can't remember this, it's so long ago since you backed Kickstarters, isn't it? And then because it's Kickstarted, you get slightly fancier tokens, so you get red hearts instead of red cubes, but you still only get, the potions are still white cubes, so it's not that great. And then I presume in the non-Kickstarted, these green will be green cubes instead of green circles. Whoop-de-doo. That's it. Thank you all very much for watching.
No, you're making it all wrong.